welcome to my channel. Today I thought I'd share with you just the basics of investing if you're absolutely new to investing. Just what are shares, what is bonds, what is a platform, using these yummy chocolate fingers. So I thought I'd share with you what is a share, what is a bond, what is a fund, what is a wrapper, a tax wrapper, and what is a platform. So just understanding these basics can help you form your decision on what would work best for you and your lifestyle. So firstly, what is a bond? So let's look at these yummy chocolate fingers. They are the smallest unit of the whole chain. So each chocolate finger is the smallest unit of the stock market. So it could be either a bond or a share. A bond is like a loan given to a company or the government. All companies and all government needs money to run. So you loan it to the government, and in exchange the government gives you a set, or the company gives you a set interest rate. And because it is a set interest rate, there is no volatility. So bonds are a very safe investment. Shares, on the other hand, is like you own part of the business. So for example, if you own a piece of Amazon, you own a brick in the Amazon building, for example. So if the company is doing well, your shares will do well. If the company does badly, you get your shares do badly. And every so often, every quarter, every half year, each company declares its profits. And if the company is running in a profit, some of those companies gives you a share of those profits, and that is called a dividend. Some companies don't give you a share of the dividend. So these companies are the companies who want to grow or expand. So these companies just take over the profits, the dividends, to let the company grow. So it's just like you own a part of the business. You would probably take less profits or no profits from the company to let it grow. So that's the idea of bonds, shares, and dividends. So a group of shares come together and this forms a fund. So let's say, for example, these chocolate fingers are groups of technology companies, and that comes together to form the technology fund. So funds come in all different shapes and sizes. You could have a crude oil fund, you could have a technology fund, you could have a fund that is related to the UK, you could have a fund that is related to the US, you could have a global fund. The big advantage of a fund is, let's say for our previous example, the Amazon shares. So if the Amazon shares are doing badly, but there is 50 other companies that come under the technology fund, some company does well, some companies do poorly, so it evens out the volatility. So that's a big advantage of holding all these shares in a fund. So let's just take two simple examples. So say these chocolate fingers are the global index fund, and the white chocolate fingers are the S&P 500. So I could bring both these funds in a plastic bag A, or I could bring both these funds in this bag B. So bag A is the pension wrapper, and bag B is the ISA wrapper. So a bag or a wrapper just keeps things together, but most importantly in the investing world, it protects it against the taxman. And you can have the exact same funds in the pension and in the ISA. I've touched on pensions in several videos and also many advantages of the pension. If you want me to do a whole video on pensions, just let me know in the description, in the comment section below. I've done a whole video on ISA. Please feel free to check it out if you want more information. So the tax wrappers are very, very efficient ways of keeping more of our money to ourselves and keeping it away from the taxman. I bought all these chocolate fingers from Asda, but I could have bought it from Sainsbury's or from Morrison's or from Tesco, from any other shop. So the supermarket represents the platform where we can buy all the underlying funds, the bonds, the shares, etc. And you can choose your platform depending on your convenience, or if you like the shop or not, or if you the budget, etc. Next week I'll be doing a whole video on how I've selected my platform. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that out. So that's it in very, very simple terms with chocolate fingers. So what is a bond? What is a share? A fund? Tax wrappers, and a platform. So I hope this video has made sense. If you've liked it, please give me the thumbs up like button, and share this video with your family and friends. I'll see you next week with the video on platforms. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. Bye bye.